Hi guys, how you all doing? I know you guys are expecting that the next video from me from Oma's Kitchen and Living should be, a continuation of our family planning discussion. Well, while we await the last episode of our discussion, let us take a little rest and while I show you how I prepared this low budget curry sauce. You see, I called it low budget curry sauce because I prepared this when there was almost little or none at home. I actually wanted to cook something for the family and realized that I didn't have much at home, but I had some leftover turkey and chicken breast. So I hurriedly went to the store to get some vegetables. Mind you, I actually used some carrots, some green beans, and bell peppers. Feel free to use as much vegetables as you like. Then you boil your chicken and turkey, or if you're using only chicken or turkey, you boil them. And I fried them because my oga at the top does not like eating chicken or turkey that is not fried. So after frying them, I also fried the vegetables with onion, just a little period of frying, and I added the stock from the chicken and turkey. And then I proceeded to thicken this before adding the turkey and chicken. I actually used corn flour to thicken the sauce. Guys, that is it. I covered and allowed this to boil just a little because I want my vegetables as fresh as can be. Serve this and eat with rice or whatever. I actually ate this with some spaghetti. That is it. So, guys, tell me in the comment section, will you be trying this? And please do not forget the last episode on our family planning discussion will be coming up soon. Until then, enjoy.